What is going on, everybody? My name is Bleaves. We are here to talk about what's going on with the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices right now. If you take a look at the charts, then you're going to see that we've had about a 500-point loss in Bitcoin over the last just 2 hours. And the question is, why is that going on? And now it's time to get right into it. So we're going to look at this chart right here, and you can see that over the last couple of hours, you've seen this downward sort of pressure. Now, where did that come from? Well, the answer is it came from the Chinese protests. And there are protests that have cropped up everywhere in China right now over the continued zero COVID policy. All indexes, the Hang Seng fell 4%. Shanghai is down a total of 3%. That's causing the rest of the markets to look like they're ready to buckle. You can look over here and you can see the Korean index is down 1 point, not feeling it nearly as much as the Chinese. Now, here's the thing. This does not last very long. You come over here and you look at the Dow futures, you see it's down 160. It was down 168 before this all started. Then it dropped a little bit as I got ready to film this. And the next thing you know, it was pumping back up. So what does that tell you about what's going on in the market? Well, I think this is a flash crash, quote unquote crash, and I don't think that it lasts very long. The protests are very important. They're very serious, but I don't think that this affects the Bitcoin market very much. When you really start to break it down and you really start to look at what's going on, this is just another day for Bitcoin. When you zoom out here to the day chart, you'll look at it and you see that we're just kind of consolidating along the way again. We hit the end of our little pattern here and we broke to the downside. Didn't maintain, by the way. So there is a little bit of resiliency that we're starting to see in the markets, but it's going to take a little bit of time before we see it kind of play out. But again, you can see right here from the chart, we broke to the end of our little bull pennant pattern, dropped down and recovered very nicely. Now, there's plenty of good information coming out of everywhere in the market. So I think this is a flash crash. I think somebody might have taken advantage of the opportunity to try to shake out some people in the market to try to establish better position, because you don't see candles like this. I mean, look around here on these charts here. You don't see candles like this that often, and especially not big red candles that don't get bought up this much. So I think this big candle right here is about to get bought up pretty well, and that we're probably going to see a very quick and dynamic recovery. We might also see somebody enter the market and try to push this price down. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell to be notified of future content, and we will do our best to keep you informed as best we can. It's not financial advice, but I'm always right. I'm looking for the good life, good